Hey Keith, my name is Devin Norton. I spoke to Heather earlier. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm going to briefly show you 3 things I found on your website you can fix right away so you can start bringing in customers immediately. I know you're probably wondering why I would even make this video for you, and it's really simple. I found out a little while ago there's a lot of small business owners out there that are spending all their time running their business and taking care of their customers, and therefore they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And the only thing stopping them from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who is not. And so I found that I just make these attack plans and I give them away for free. A lot of business owners still end up calling me back saying, you know what, Devin, I like you. Can you just do this stuff for me? If you want to do this stuff yourself or if you want any help getting it done, it doesn't matter to me. I'm just here to educate people. What I'm going to talk to you about today is going to be content, backlinks, and citations. And your website's a great looking website, by the way. I love that you have these little coupons right up front. The website's very clean. You've got trust factors right here. And this video is really smart to keep people on your website. It's definitely a great design for your website. Google just doesn't really care all that much about how good looking your website is. They care mostly about this stuff right here, all this content you can read. And they want a lot of it. So the average website on the front page of Google has about 2,000 words of content, which is where you want to be sitting, and you currently have 520. Now your main competitor is Champion AC, and these guys, if you look, just looking through right away, you can already tell they have more than 520. Probably about closer to 1,000, but still they don't have 2,000 words, which is the good news there. By getting yourself to 2,000 words, you're going to blow these guys out of the water. You also want to make sure you have keywords within your content. So like one that's really popular is HVAC San Antonio. 250 people a month search for just that one keyword. If I go and type in HVAC San Antonio, you don't have that anywhere on your page. So you want to make sure you have that kind of content within your pages. So that's my first tip. My second tip is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to you, driving traffic to you. This is important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest and they want to see a bunch of other websites vouching for you. Keep in mind though, they do want to see relevant links, which means they're going to give you a lot more power if you have other HVAC companies linking to you versus if you had like Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google knows that you're not a pizza company. So I use this tool to check out backlinks called Ahrefs. It's a paid tool. You don't have to pay for it. There are a bunch of other free tools out there that gets the same data. I just use this because it consolidates it all together, but you can always Google like backlink tracker, keyword planner, anything like that. So anyways, it says you guys have been around for a very long time and you've kind of gone up and down when it comes to how many websites are linking to you. You currently have 89 websites linking to you. If you want to beat Champion, it's actually really easy. They're only sitting about 352 websites linking to them. So what you're going to want to do is beat them. And the best way and the easiest way to do that is to just copy them. Because if the links work to rank them, they'll work to rank you too. So you go visit the list of all the websites that are linking to them, and just like they did, you visit these websites and get a way for them to link back to you. Sometimes you have to create a profile and put a link in your profile description. Sometimes you have to click the Contact Us button. Sometimes you may have to pay for the link. But whatever they did to get those links, you can do them too. And by copying all these, you're going to outrank them. By following just those first 2 tips, that's how you take this organic spot. That's one of 3 places you can show up on the front page of Google. You can show up organically. You can also pay for ads and show up right here. You just need to outbid your competitors to be the highest showing one. The last place you can show up is in the Google My Business section. If you want to get here, you need to have more citations than your competitors, and a citation is anywhere where your full name, address, and phone number are listed in different directories across the web, such as like Yelp and Yext and Yellow Pages and White Pages and stuff like that. If I were you, I would figure out what directories San Antonio Air Service Experts was listed in. I'd list myself on those same ones and add a bunch more on top. If they were in 150 directories, I'd be putting myself in like 250, if not 300. That's all I've got for you, Keith. I hope you found this really informative and helpful. I tried to keep this very short and sweet and to the point for you. Just as a really quick recap, you want at least 2,000 words on this front page with keywords inside of the content. You're going to want to have probably about total 375 websites to outrank Champion. And you're going to want to put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than San Antonio Air Service Experts. And Keith, by just following these 3 tips, that's how you're going to become #1 across all of Google. So I bet you're probably wondering what I do now. Well, what I would recommend you do is take this information and implement it immediately, because the sooner you rank yourself up to these positions right here, the quicker you start growing your business and making money. If you want any help getting this stuff done, if you don't want to worry about it, you want to continue working on your business and you want someone else to do this for you, give me a call and I'll see if I can help. And if I'm not able to help, I'll at least point you in the right direction. Either way, I do appreciate you taking the time out of your busy day to listen to me and watch this video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.